All right, we're gonna send it through this wind line, 50 yards off. I can change 50 feet into 50 yards, but just by multiplying by 3, because I'm a dumbass and I don't know distance. Here we go. There we are. We lost the boat. That's what we call capsize. That's standing on a capsized boat. Can you pick the top up? How's it going, man? If you could pick the floaty part up, that would help. I don't know. I need to turn the top part of the mast that way. Yeah, if you could swim the top part that way. So you could just wait. When it comes around, it'll come right up. When it comes downwind, it'll come right up. So be careful, it might hit you. Thank you, guys. All right, she's coming right up. Woo! Thank you. Good fun. Well, we got our first capsize out of the way. That was fun.